Looking to connect Brevo to your WordPress website but not really sure where to begin? Maybe you've heard terms like API keys, plugins, or SMTP settings thrown around, making the whole thing suddenly feel way more complicated than it should be? I have good news. Connecting Brevo and WordPress is actually very simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it safely in just a few minutes. So stick around. Once you have Brevo connected to WordPress, it can really streamline your email marketing. I'll talk more about the specific benefits later, but first, let's get everything set up. We'll start inside WordPress's backend. First, head over to the menu on the left and look for your plugins section. Once you've found it, let's click Add Plugin. Then, in the search bar, go ahead and type Brevo. Here, you should see the official Brevo plugin. Just make sure you choose the standard Brevo plugin and not the WooCommerce one, unless you're running an online store and are specifically looking for this. All right, now let's click Install and wait a couple of seconds. Then, click Activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see Brevo appear right there in the sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's connect WordPress to your Brevo account. You'll see two options show up: create a new account or connect an existing one. I'm assuming you already have an account, but if not, head to the description where you'll find a sign-up link and a very generous discount code. Otherwise, let's walk through how to connect WordPress with your existing Brevo account using an API key. I know it might sound complicated, but an API key is basically a secure access code that allows your WordPress website to communicate with your Brevo account. And it's really simple to get the API key. Just open your Brevo dashboard in another tab. Then head over to Settings in the main menu and click the SMTP and API option. Now, just open the API Keys tab and select the option to create a new API key. Quick warning here, API keys allow full access to your Brevo account. So I'll of course make sure to delete the one I'm creating right now. And I just wanted to mention you should use them with caution too. Anyway, let's continue. We'll give this API key a title, let's say WordPress key, and click Generate. Next, we copy the API key and go back to WordPress. Once we're back in WordPress, we'll go to the Brevo plugin in the sidebar, head to the Home tab, and go to the field where you can enter your API key. Just paste the key we just copied, then click Login to connect WordPress with your Brevo account. If everything worked, you'll see a message confirming the connection was successful. As you can see, that's the case for us. And that's it. The integration is now complete. But don't go anywhere just yet. If you're getting your email marketing up and running with Brevo and have been piecing together YouTube tutorials with mixed success, I have something for you. Our complete Brevo course walks you through everything, from building your first campaign to launching a welcome series. Me and my colleagues at Email Tool Tester will walk you through the whole thing from start to finish. And if you get stuck, just post your question in the exclusive community to get an answer from someone who actually knows Brevo, not a comment section where nobody responds. You can get access today with 30% off. I've left a discount code in the description. If you've been putting off setting up Brevo or you feel overwhelmed every time you log in, this is where you start. Okay, so now that you've connected Brevo to WordPress, let's quickly run through the features you'll have access to. In general, WordPress isn't the most reliable when it comes to sending emails. So using Brevo here can really help make sure your transactional and marketing emails actually get delivered. Of course, you'll need to make sure your Brevo account is properly authenticated using SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, all of which we cover in the course. One great thing is that your sign-up forms can now send subscribers directly to your Brevo lists, and you can also trigger automations based on what people do on your website. Now, I have to say, creating forms here is not quite as smooth as using the form builder inside Brevo's own platform. It can feel a little bit clunky, which is why I've left a link to our Brevo Form Builder tutorial in the description. And that's it. Your WordPress website and Brevo account are now connected and working together. Make sure to check out our complete Brevo course and other resources in the description. If you have any questions about the setup, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert email marketing tips. See you in the next one.